Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'll show you how to download TikTok app on your device. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, go to App Store. If you're an Android user, then you can go to Play Store. Here you can see search icon on bottom right corner. Simply click on it. Now here on search bar, search TikTok and tap on search button. Now click on download icon as shown here. Now it starts downloading. Wait for a minute. As you can see that you have successfully downloaded TikTok app. Now simply tap on open button and it will open TikTok app. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.